Welcome to this video on forecasting in Salesforce Sales Cloud. Forecasting combines quotas, targets, with pipeline or achieved metrics, monthly or quarterly, to support decision-making. Salesforce Forecasting enables sales teams to monitor progress, set quotas, and track performance effectively. Let's explore how to set it up and customize it step by step. Start by enabling forecasting for users directly involved in the process. Navigate to Setup, go to Users, edit the desired user, and check the Allow Forecasting box. Next, enable forecasts in Forecast Settings. Simply toggle the Active button to activate forecasting for your organization. Decide how you want forecast data to roll up. Choose single roll-ups to track each forecast category separately, or cumulative roll-ups for a combined overview. Set the default date range to display forecast data. Choose monthly for detailed insights or quarterly for a broader view. Enable Show Quota to display quota attainment as percentages. Salesforce uses your role hierarchy as the default forecast hierarchy. Assign roles, managers, and users within the hierarchy, ensuring that only forecast-enabled users are included. Customize your forecast types by navigating to Forecast Settings and selecting Create Forecast Type. Add custom columns to track key metrics like total sales or specific deal attributes using formulas or referenced fields. Assign quotas to users based on time periods and forecast types. Click on Show Quota and enter the target amount for each user. This step helps measure how effectively users are meeting their targets. The Forecast tab provides a comprehensive view of the sales pipeline. You can select users, view quota attainment, and track opportunities for a specific time period. With these steps, you can set up Salesforce Forecasting and empower your sales teams to achieve their goals.